Prior to the modern era of electricity, electronics, and computers, all sounds were caused by acoustic processes in the real world. Most of the sounds we experience in computers, games, interfaces, and music synthesizers are the result of the playback and manipulation of pre-recorded sounds. This approach, called sampling synthesis, is a great method for achieving a high degree of realism. However, it is time and disk space consuming, expensive, and limited to the sounds we can record and manipulate. I'm Perry Cook, and I'll be teaching a class called Physics-Based Sound Synthesis for Games and Interactive Systems. I'll also be joined by Stanford's world-famous physical modeling expert, Julius O. Smith. This course is about synthesizing and processing sound, motivated and informed by the physics of actual sound-producing objects and systems. We will focus on real-world interaction sounds with an eye toward applying our techniques in games,